One sunny morning in the village of Willowbrook, a curious boy named Timmy wandered into the nearby forest. He wasn't supposed to go far, but adventure tugged at his heart like a string tied to the wind. As he followed a trail of fluttering blue butterflies, he stumbled upon something unusual. A huge tree with a wide, twisted trunk and glowing green leaves. But what made it truly strange was that it sighed. Timmy blinked. Did you just sigh? The tree's bark creaked, and then, in a deep, gentle voice, it said, "Yes, little one, I am Elderleaf, the oldest tree in this forest." Timmy's eyes lit up. "You can talk?" "I can," the tree replied, "but only to those who truly believe the forest is alive." Timmy sat cross-legged in front of Elderleaf, asking question after question. The tree told stories of ancient animals, forgotten magic, and how the forest once glowed under moonlight. "Why are you sad?" Timmy finally asked. "Because the world is forgetting to listen," Elderleaf said. "Fewer children come, fewer hearts believe." Timmy thought for a moment, then stood. "I'll remind them. I'll tell everyone. I'll bring them back." Elderleaf rustled its leaves with joy. Then hope lives on. From that day on, Timmy returned with friends, classmates, even teachers. Laughter filled the forest again. And every so often, if you stood quietly under the right tree, you might just hear it whisper your name.